Hello, hello to all of us. Happy Wednesday to all. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Thank you for more blessings, good health, now and forever. Thank you so much, and thank you so much. And thank you for everything, to all supporters, not supporters, to all viewers, not viewers, to all subscriber, not subscriber. Thank you so much. Last night, we go there in the playground for the children in the hunting club. Yata yun, if I'm not mistaken. And I order my donut. It's my friend. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you for giving me. I ate that one last night, the half one. Okay, ayan. It's very good too. It's so smooth, this one. It's not hard talaga. It's not hard to eat. It's very, very smooth. Yummy talaga siya. Thank you again. Thank you. So now, I'm here already. It's almost 5:30. Yata. So I prepare my lunch and breakfast and lunch box for Celine. Okay.